Good morning, friends. Today we are going to deal with chapter number 2, Logic Gates, lecture number 2nd. So today we are going to study De Morgan's theorem. What was the invention done by the De Morgan's theorem? What were the two De Morgan's theorem? Let us study one by one. So what was the first theorem of De Morgan's and second theorem of the De Morgan? The statement of the De Morgan's first theorem is over here, which is shown. A dot b bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. What does it suggest? A dot b bar, that is which gate? That is your NAND gate, is equals to a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar indicates what? Two NOT gate which are joined by using OR gate. Okay, so the statement will be like this. Dot indicates what? Product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. See the statement properly. So that is what? A dot b bar, that is product of complement, is equals to sum of individual complement. That is your De Morgan's first theorem. Okay, so product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have to prove this, whether a given left hand side statement and right hand side statements are equal or not. So that is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so we will draw the logic diagram for that particular thing. So what will be the logic diagram for that? A dot b bar, that is which gate? It is your NAND gate, is equals to a bar. A bar means which gate? NOT gate. B bar is which gate? NOT gate. And both are joined using what? This is a bar, b bar, and both are joined using which gate? OR gate. So this is the statement and this is the diagram for your De Morgan's first theorem. Okay, so what will be the statement for De Morgan's? Product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. A dot b bar is your NAND gate, a bar NOT gate, b bar NOT gate, and both are joined using which gate? OR gate, that is a bar plus b bar. So this is, both sides should be equal. Now we have to verify whether left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. So let us verify this. So this is the De Morgan's theorem table. So when I will be giving A, B, statement is with you. A, what is that? What is the statement? A dot B bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Fine. So now we have to verify. So I will be having A and B. I will be considering both A and B is equals to 0. At that time, when my both A and B are 0, at that time what will be that? 0 dot 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus 0 bar. We know what is 0 into 0? 0 bar is equals to 0 bar is what? 1 plus 1. Fine. 0 bar is what? 1 is equals to what? 1. So when I will be giving both input 0 0, what I will be getting? A bar and B bar. So it is A into B bar as well as A bar plus B bar. I will be getting what? 1 and 1. So when I will be giving both 0 and 0, okay, according to statement, so what will be that? We have to verify that 0 into 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus 0 bar. What is 0 into 0? We will be having 0 bar is equals to 1 plus 1. 0 bar is what? 1 is equals to what? 1. So left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So you can verify this using what? Using De Morgan's theorem. So product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. Left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So let us see second example. I will be considering A and B with different values. Consider value of A is equals to what? A is equals to what? A is equals to 0 and B is equals to what? 1. Now let us solve. Okay, so 0 into 0 bar is equals to 0 bar plus 1 bar. 0 into 0, sorry, 0 into 1, sorry, I will take it again. A is 0 and B is 1. A is what? 0 dot 1 bar is equals to, next is what? 0 bar plus 1 bar. 0 into 1 is what? 0 bar. 0 bar is what? 1 plus 1 bar is what? 0. 1 bar is what? 0 bar is 1 and 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So again left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So what we have verified? Left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So you can verify for all the three conditions. So that is your De Morgan's first theorem. So product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. That is your De Morgan's first theorem. So now let us move to the De Morgan's second theorem. So what is the statement of De Morgan's second theorem? Sum of complement is equals to product of individual complements. So see the statement properly. What is that statement of De Morgan's? It is over here. See the statement, product sum of complement is equals to product of individual. This is what? A plus B bar, that is sum of complement is equals to A bar dot B bar is what? Product of individual complement. Okay, so A plus B bar is which gate? NOR gate. Then we will be having two NOT gate, A bar dot B bar, which are joined using AND gate. That is your statement of De Morgan's second theorem. So what is statement? Sum of complement is equals to product of individual complement. So again we have to verify the truth table for the same. So let us see. The statement is clear. We have to draw the we have to write down the statement as well as we have to draw the diagram. The sum of complement is equals to product of individual complement. Sum of complement, that is your NOR gate, and product of individual complement is what? Two NOT gate which are joined using AND gate. This is my first NOT gate. This is my second NOT gate, and that are joined by using what? Joined by using AND gate. Now let us move to the truth table and let us verify it again. So statement is what? Let us A plus B bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. So what is A plus B bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. So what is that value of A over here? 0 plus 1 bar is equals to, what is that? A bar is what? 0 bar dot 1 bar. So what we have to do over here? 0 plus 1 is what? It is what? 1 bar is equals to 1 plus 0. Okay, so 1 bar is what? 0 is equals to what? 0. So whenever I will be giving 0 and 1, what I will be getting? 0. So that is your truth table verification of De Morgan's second theorem. So you can take any values. Suppose I am taking 1 and 1. So what is statement? If I will be taking 1 and 1, A plus B bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. So what is value of A? Both I will be taking 1. 1 plus 1 bar is equals to 1 bar dot 1 bar. So what is 1 plus 1? That is 1 bar is equals to 0 into 0. So what is 1 bar? 0 is equals to what? 0. So left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So in this way we can verify De Morgan's second theorem, any of the statements. So what is De Morgan's first theorem? Product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. And what is De Morgan's second theorem? Product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. So you can verify any of the De Morgan's theorem. So you should know what is the symbol of AND gate, NAND gate, how to connect the symbols. In this way we can verify the truth table and you have to draw. So this question is asked for 4 marks. State and prove De Morgan's first and second theorem. So what is the De Morgan's first theorem? Product of complement is equals to sum of individual complement. This is second statement. What is second statement? Sum of complement is equals to product of individual complement. Okay, so we will verify this theorem. So this is asked for 4 marks. Thank you.